The allure of the beach is, well, a universal language, a symphony for the senses that transcends borders and cultures. It's a place where the rhythm of the waves whispers tales of distant lands, where the sun-kissed sand warms the soul, and the salty air invigorates the spirit. Beaches are more than just stretches of sand. They are portals to paradise, each with its unique charm waiting to be discovered. From the palm-fringed shores of the Caribbean to the dramatic cliffs of the Pacific, the world's beaches offer a breathtaking tapestry of landscapes, each more captivating than the last. The vibrant hues of turquoise waters blend seamlessly with the soft white sands, creating a canvas of pure serenity. The gentle breeze carries the scent of the ocean, a reminder of the vastness and power of nature. The beach is a sanctuary where time slows down, where worries fade into the background, and the simple pleasures of life take center stage. It's a place to reconnect with nature, to bask in the warmth of the sun, and to listen to the soothing rhythm of the waves. As we journey through some of the world's most stunning beaches, let us immerse ourselves in their beauty and embrace the tranquility they offer. Scattered across the Indian Ocean like a string of pearls, the Maldives is an archipelago of over 1,000 coral islands, each a miniature paradise. Known for its crystal-clear waters, pristine beaches, and luxurious overwater bungalows, the Maldives is a dream destination for those seeking an escape from the ordinary. The Azure waters teem with vibrant marine life, inviting you to explore a kaleidoscope of colors beneath the surface. The soft white sands of the Maldivian beaches are like powdered sugar, inviting you to sink your toes into their warmth. The gentle sway of palm trees provides a soothing shade from the tropical sun, creating an idyllic setting for relaxation. Whether you're seeking adventure in the form of snorkeling, diving, or windsurfing, or simply wish to unwind on the beach with a good book, the Maldives offers an unforgettable experience. The unique charm of the Maldives lies not only in its natural beauty, but also in the warmth and hospitality of its people. The Maldivian culture is deeply rooted in the ocean, and the locals are eager to share their love for their islands with visitors. From traditional music and dance performances to delectable seafood cuisine, the Maldives offers a glimpse into a world where life moves at a slower, more peaceful pace. Nestled in the heart of French Polynesia, Bora Bora is an island that embodies the very essence of romance and exotic beauty. Often hailed as the Pearl of the Pacific, Bora Bora captivates with its iconic overwater bungalows perched above turquoise lagoons, its lush green peaks rising from the heart of the island, and its vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. The air is filled with the sweet scent of tropical flowers, and the gentle trade winds carry the sound of traditional Polynesian music, creating an atmosphere of pure enchantment. The beaches of Bora Bora are legendary, each one a masterpiece of nature's artistry. Matira Beach, renowned as one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, stretches along the southern tip of the island, its powdery white sands sloping gently into the crystal-clear lagoon. The water is so clear that you can see the colorful fish darting among the coral reefs below, inviting you to explore this underwater wonderland. Whether you choose to relax in a hammock beneath swaying palm trees, indulge in a romantic sunset cruise, or embark on a thrilling shark and ray snorkeling adventure, Bora Bora promises an experience that will linger in your memories long after you've left its shores. The island's unique blend of natural beauty, luxurious accommodations, and Polynesian charm creates an ambiance of pure paradise, a place where dreams become reality. Nestled amidst the 74 Whitsunday Islands off the coast of Queensland, Australia, Whitehaven Beach stands as a testament to nature's artistry. Stretching for 7 kilometers along Whitsunday Island, Whitehaven Beach is a vision of pure paradise. The beach is world-renowned for its pristine silica sands, so pure and fine that they squeak beneath your feet. The sand's brilliant white hue, a result of its high silica content, creates a dazzling spectacle as it reflects the sunlight, making it appear as if the beach is covered in millions of tiny diamonds. The turquoise waters of the Coral Sea lap gently at the shores of Whitehaven Beach, creating a mesmerizing contrast against the white sands. The swirling patterns of the tide, known as Hill Inlet, are a sight to behold, a natural masterpiece painted across the landscape. The surrounding hills, covered in lush green vegetation, provide a dramatic backdrop to this idyllic scene. Whether you choose to stroll along the shoreline, marvel at the intricate patterns of Hill Inlet, or simply relax on the soft white sands, Whitehaven Beach offers an unforgettable experience. The beach's pristine beauty, its unique silica sands, and the tranquility of its surroundings create a sense of wonder and awe, a reminder of the power and artistry of nature. Section 5. Navajo Beach, Greece, a shipwreck cove of azure beauty. Hidden within a secluded cove on the Greek island of Zakynthos, Navajo Beach, also known as Shipwreck Beach, is a testament to the captivating allure of hidden beauty. The beach's centerpiece, a rusted shipwreck, adds a touch of mystique and adventure to this idyllic setting. The story goes that the ship, named Panayotis, was a smuggling vessel that ran aground in the 1980s, becoming a permanent fixture of this secluded cove. The towering limestone cliffs that embrace Navajo Beach create a dramatic setting, their sheer white walls contrasting beautifully with the turquoise waters of the Ionian Sea. The beach is accessible only by boat, adding to its allure and exclusivity. As you approach the cove, the sight of the shipwreck nestled against the white sands, framed by the towering cliffs, is a sight that will take your breath away. The waters of Navajo Beach are crystal clear, inviting you to take a refreshing dip, or explore the underwater world with a snorkel and mask. The beach's seclusion and unique beauty make it a popular destination for boat trips and day excursions, but the sense of tranquility and adventure that pervades this hidden cove remains intact. Section 6. Tulum, Mexico ancient ruins meet turquoise waters. Along the Yucatan Peninsula's Caribbean coastline, Tulum stands as a testament to the enduring allure of ancient civilizations and the captivating beauty of the Mexican Caribbean. What sets Tulum apart is its unique blend of history, culture, and natural splendor. Perched atop a cliff overlooking the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea, the ancient Mayan ruins of Tulum offer a glimpse into a bygone era. The ruins, dating back to the 13th century, serve as a reminder of the Mayan civilization that once flourished in this region. The beaches of Tulum are equally captivating, stretching for miles along the coastline, their powdery white sands fringed by swaying palm trees. The crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean Sea invite you to take a refreshing dip, to snorkel among colorful coral reefs, or to simply relax on the beach and soak up the tropical sun. The laid-back atmosphere of Tulum adds to its charm, a place where time seems to move at a slower pace, inviting you to unwind and embrace the simple pleasures of life. Whether you choose to explore the ancient Mayan ruins, relax on the pristine beaches, or indulge in the local cuisine, Tulum offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Section 7, Pfeiffer Beach, California, a tapestry of purple sands and rugged cliffs. Nestled along the rugged coastline of Big Sur in California, Pfeiffer Beach stands as a testament to the raw beauty and untamed spirit of the Pacific coast. This hidden gem, tucked away at the end of a winding, unmarked road, is renowned for its unique purple sands, a result of manganese garnet deposits that have washed down from the surrounding hills. The beach's dramatic landscape is further enhanced by the presence of towering rock formations, sculpted by the relentless forces of wind and waves. Keyhole Rock, a massive rock with a natural arch carved through its center, stands as a sentinel at the edge of the surf, creating a captivating focal point for photographers and nature enthusiasts alike. The powerful waves of the Pacific Ocean crash against the rocky shores, sending plumes of spray high into the air, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of raw power and untamed beauty. Pfeiffer Beach is a place where you can feel the raw power of nature, where the wind whispers tales of distant lands, and the waves carry the rhythm of the sea. Whether you choose to explore the tide pools, photograph the dramatic rock formations, or simply sit on the purple sands and contemplate the vastness of the Pacific Ocean, Pfeiffer Beach offers an experience that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. In the heart of the Seychelles archipelago, Anse Source d'Argent stands as a testament to the captivating beauty of granite formations and the allure of pristine shores. Tucked away on the island of La Digue, Anse Source d'Argent is a beach that seems to have sprung from the pages of a travel magazine. The beach's most striking feature is the presence of massive granite boulders, sculpted by centuries of weathering, that dot the shoreline, creating a surreal and captivating landscape. These granite sentinels, some as large as houses, stand guard over the beach, their smooth, weathered surfaces reflecting the warm glow of the sun. The shallow turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean lap gently at the shores of Ant's Source d'Argent, creating a mesmerizing contrast against the white sands and the dark granite boulders. The beach is fringed by swaying palm trees, their fronds providing a welcome shade from the tropical sun. The air is filled with the scent of tropical flowers and the sound of the gentle surf, creating an ambiance of pure tranquility. Whether you choose to relax on the beach, snorkel among the coral reefs, or simply wander along the shore, Ant's Source d'Argent offers an experience that will linger in your memories long after you've left its shores. While the world's most famous beaches draw crowds from all corners of the globe, there exists a realm of hidden gems, secret beaches tucked away in secluded coves, accessible only by boat or by foot, where the crowds are sparse and the sense of discovery is palpable. These hidden beaches offer a glimpse into a world untouched by mass tourism, where the natural beauty of the coastline remains pristine and unspoiled. One such hidden gem is Maya Bay in Thailand, a secluded cove nestled within the Phi Phi Islands, made famous by the movie The Beach. Accessible only by boat, Maya Bay is surrounded by towering limestone cliffs that create a sense of seclusion and tranquility. The beach's powdery white sands and crystal clear waters invite you to swim, snorkel, or simply relax and soak up the beauty of your surroundings. Another hidden gem is Pink Sands Beach on Harbor Island in the Bahamas. As its name suggests, the beach is renowned for its unique pink sands, a result of microscopic coral insects called foraminifera that have washed ashore. The soft pink sands create a surreal and captivating landscape, a photographer's dream come true. The call of the coast is a siren song, a symphony for the senses that draws us to its shores time and time again. It's a place where the rhythm of the waves dictates the pace of life, where the sun-kissed sands warm the soul, and the salty air invigorates the spirit. The beach is a sanctuary where time slows down, where worries fade into the background, and the simple pleasures of life take center stage. The sound of the waves crashing against the shore is a constant reminder of the power and vastness of the ocean, a soothing melody that calms the mind and washes away the stresses of everyday life. The feel of the sand beneath your feet, soft and yielding, is a grounding sensation, a connection to the earth that brings a sense of peace and stability. The scent of the salty air, carried on the breeze, is a reminder of the ocean's embrace, a revitalizing elixir that clears the head and invigorates the senses. The beach is a place of constant renewal, where the tides ebb and flow, washing away the old and making way for the new. As we've journeyed through some of the world's most stunning beaches, we've witnessed the awe-inspiring beauty of nature's artistry, the tranquility of pristine shores, and the captivating allure of hidden gems. These beaches are more than just picturesque destinations, they are vital ecosystems that support a diverse array of marine life, protect our coastlines from erosion, and provide us with a sense of peace and wonder. It is our responsibility to protect these natural wonders, to ensure that future generations can experience the same joy and tranquility that we find in these coastal havens. We must be mindful of our impact on these fragile ecosystems, reducing our carbon footprint, practicing sustainable tourism, and supporting organizations that are working to preserve our beaches and oceans. By embracing sustainable practices and promoting responsible tourism, we can ensure that these coastal treasures continue to thrive for generations to come. Let us all do our part to protect these natural wonders, so that the call of the coast continues to beckon us to its shores, offering solace, inspiration, and a reminder of the beauty and wonder of our planet.